friends, welcome to Money Ki Baat Alpa ke Saath. Investment is most intelligent when it's most business-like. Value investing. What exactly is value investing all about? When we discuss or talk about investing, the first thing which comes in our mind is money, which is the best deal for me. We must always understand that value investing is one of the best concepts as far as investing in equity markets are concerned. We have hundreds of questions while we invest our hundreds of money. Whether it is safe, or what will happen if the market goes down, what will happen if the company shuts down. So many questions we have when we invest our hard-earned money, isn't it? However, have you ever thought that there is a concept of value investing which can answer all your doubts and questions? Yes, that's what we are going to learn today. Let us understand exactly what is value investing. Benjamin Graham, an American economist, investor, and professor, pioneered a new method on investing in stocks which is known as value investing in 1920s. He is known as the father of value investing, and his methods bring true to investors till date. And with so many notable followers like Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Warren Buffett, and Peter Lynch, etc. Price is what you pay and value is what you get. So what is value investing? It is an investment approach where investors seek out stocks of companies that are trading in the market at a price that does not agree with the intrinsic or inherent value. This method of investment requires a thorough understanding of the stock market. In essence, value investing captures two primary concepts: undervaluation and overvaluation. Value investor consider a stock to be undervalued when it is trading at a price lower than its intrinsic value. On the other hand, when a stock is trading at a price higher than its intrinsic value, investor consider such stock to be overvalued. Value investor carry the belief that share prices do not justify for long-term fundamentals of a company because such prices are considerably dependent on the market behavior. So how does value investing work? The principle behind value investing is purchase stocks when they are undervalued or on sale, and sell them when they reach their true intrinsic value or rise above it. Another condition which value investors follow is allowing for a margin of safety when trading in value investing stocks. Top value investors search for stocks or companies that have sound long-term fundamentals. What are the advantages of value investing? Risk minimization. With value investing, investors mitigate the risk by embarking stocks that are undervalued and thus can purchase those stocks or shares which are on sale. Eventually, these shares would reach their intrinsic value or prices, maybe go higher, and which would allow them to earn substantial capital gains and profits. Substantial returns is also one of the most important advantages which an investor should consider. Value investing, if done accurately, or fetch above average returns in the long term if you do that well. It is because investors employ a margin of safety, and that's what works wonderfully well. So I have a case study here. Answer me. You have an option about buying stock A and stock B. Stock A is quoted at 50 rupees, but its intrinsic value is 60. And stock B is quoted at 60, but its value is 50. Which one will you buy? obviously the stock which is right now undervalued, you would definitely go for it because there are higher chances of increase in price and you will surely make good profits because you are entering at the value buying for that particular company. So what is the difference between value investing and growth investing? In value investing, you invest in companies that are undervalued in the stock market. Whereas in growth investing, you are investing in companies that have generated higher than average returns in current market or current scenario. Value stocks trade at a low or discounted price. Whereas in growth, the stocks are traded at high price. Value investing is low level of risk. You are taking absolutely less risk. Whereas in growth investing, there is a high level of risk which is involved. Being a value investor means you look at the downside before looking at the upside. Happy investing. So for knowing more about value investing and its concepts, please join our webinar of Value Investing College.
Hope you have liked this knowledge on investing. You can also buy our book Every Woman Should Invest by Alpa Shah, which is available on Amazon India, the link of which is mentioned below in the description. Please like us, share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share this video with all your friends and family